Hi guys, this is Serva. In today's video, we will see how to create WhatsApp status using Canva. For those who do not know what is Canva, Canva is a graphic designing tool and it's free. You may go to canva.com and make use of it. Let's go guys. Let's go to canva.com and create WhatsApp status. To use Canva, you need to have an account. If you don't have an account, you sign it up first and then log in. As I have already got an account, I have logged in. Let's go to create a design and search for WhatsApp status. So I am choosing the first one, WhatsApp status 1080 by 1920 pixel. So you will land in this particular page. On the left hand side, you can see the templates, right? So Canva provides pre-made templates for various occasions, right? So you can see on the top various categories like birthday, sale, health, invitation, right? And Mother's Day, Eid, food, travel. Then a few functions and celebrations going forward. So you can see that life is what you make of it. Somebody wants to put it like that. That is for a happy Krishna Jayanti on the Lord Krishna's birthday. If you want to put a happy Krishna Janmashtami wishes to all, you can choose this. Then there is a sale. Somebody wants to say some sale is on in some shop, right? Somebody want to put some funny status like I'm perfectly imperfect. Right, there are a few items. I'm just going through to show you different sort of status available ready-made in Canva. Right, there's a pizza stuff. So here you can see, feel the authentic taste of pizza. Some number, delivery number, call is to deliver. Right, and website is mentioned there. Then happy birthday wishes. If you want to wish somebody and make a happy birthday status, you can make use of it. Right, there is some today's special, some kitchen, some hotel restaurants ad. Right, so happy Father's Day is there, welcome winter, so I am your doctor. Right, so there's some fashion stuff going on. So there's a spicy kitchen, again some restaurant, delicious burger. Happy Republic Day India, 26th of January, when you want to celebrate and wish others on Independent Republic Day of India, you can put it there. Right, so there are so many statuses available here. You can choose and customize, right? You can do it in your phone or you can do it in your PC or laptop and take a pic and put it in your status, right? So what we will do is today we will pick up one or two items and customize and see how it comes and how do we do. So let us search for some anniversary. Okay, if you want to wish someone on the marriage anniversary maybe. So I click on this one, so it comes as a happy anniversary love. If you want to wish your spouse on your marriage anniversary, you can pick up this one and just change it, not just for your spouse, of course, for your friend or anyone. So here what we can do is we can change this heart, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to photos on the left hand side. I clicked and I will just search for heart. Okay, you can see there are plenty of hearts available. This is one way, and pick up some nice heart pics and put it there. Yeah. So there are plenty of different shapes. Let us search for anniversary also. What sort of pictures we are getting, right? So yeah, here also some roses are available. This is nice. We can, when I clicked on this pic, it comes to the right hand side. So I am removing this stuff and I am just trying to place this in the corner. Yeah. And I will just reduce the size a bit. So before that, you can actually delete this stuff and bring this one, make it a bit smaller. Yeah, and just keep it there on the right hand side, it's fine. You can make this slightly bigger. Right, and this one is also nice, happy anniversary. So we can do this. What we can do is we can remove this. You can remove this, and you can bring this one up. So if you want to group them, this rows and the box outside, click on both of them, go to group, right, and click on that. Now what will happen is when you reduce, both the rows and the outside border will reduce in size, right? So you can just bring them up. Right, so then we can just search for love and see what we get. Right, so yeah, so this is nice. So what you can do is, instead of putting this picture, you can put your and your spouse pic, or your friends and his or her spouse pic. And I think we can bring this love to the top. Yeah, and you can just remove this stuff, and you can just bring it to the corner. Right, nice. So you can remove this guy, and you can say that, you know, so you can simply add some text. I'm going to photos and search for best wishes. Right, so there are a lot of pics available with best wishes. Live your dream, there are so many. Alright, so you can go through them and choose what you really want to put. Yeah, okay, so you can just bring it down. The love part, it's gone. So what we will do is we can go and add, you know, so we can add some text. So I'm going to add here, I'm going to remove this, and I'm going to say have fun dear. Right, I will reduce this. And then I will bring it a bit down, and I will change this color to some dark blue. Yeah, yes, the color has changed. So if you want to reduce the font size, you can just reduce. Yeah, yeah, very simple, guys. So have fun dear, happy anniversary, best wishes, and the photo on the top with heart symbol and roses. There are many options available to you. You can go to photos and search for candlelight dinner maybe. So you can see a lot of good pictures. You can add them and wish. And of course, if you are planning to take your better off for a candlelight dinner, you can do that, right? Okay, so very simple design. So if you want to save this, go to file and click on save it. The final output will be saved in Canva. If you want to download, go to file and click on download option. So in the file type on the right hand side, if you click, there are many file types available: JPG, PNG, PDF standard, PDF print, SVG, MP4 video, and GIF. So PNG is suggested. So I'm going with that. I'm clicking on download button, and it is getting downloaded. So if you click on the final output, it is like this. You can keep this as your WhatsApp status, right? So this is again, guys, I have put whatever I felt like. So whatever you want to put, you can put the roses or candlelight dinners or the pictures or the colors or the fonts, anything you can change as you like it. Right? So I just showed you all how to do. However, what you want to do is purely up to you. Similarly, you can pick up any status and you can do as you like, right? So I have gone back and I am clicking on design and I am searching for WhatsApp status, right? So I click on WhatsApp status. So there are plenty. So there's a birthday, there's a sale, there's a health. Let me click on health and see. So happy International Yoga Day. If you want to just to show this, you can change the pic with the words and change some colors, right? So for example, if you want to customize this, let us see, right? So if you want to change the background color, you can go to the background, click on the background, and if you click on this color, the entire pic becomes like this, right? I am pressing Ctrl Z to reverse, right? So this happy yoga day, if you want to change the font color, currently it is in black, double click on that and go to this part, right? Text color, click on that, and if you want to change the color to red, right? I'm clicking on red and now see it has changed to red, right? So something like that you can do. If you want to change the pic, right, if you double click and delete button, it goes off. If you want to upload your pic here, right, go to the uploads on the left hand side, uploads option, and click on upload media, right? It will take you to your local drive and you can pick up any pic you want to really upload, right? So I have gone to my local and pick up any photo, right? Just a sample pic. So I'm double clicking on that, right? So my pic will come here, right? When I want to add my pic, I click on that and my pic will come here, right? Very simple, right? So if you want to change this page background color, you can go to backgrounds as I told you, right? Click on the background and maybe some yellow if you want to choose. It becomes like that. This is an example color. You can choose any color and any font as you like it. That's it. So as we saw that earlier, if you want to save, click on save. If you want to download, you can download. These are just two examples I am showing, guys. Similarly, you can create WhatsApp status for any occasion or any celebration, any festival, any anniversary. You can just search and do as you really like it, right? And another aspect I want to show you, Canva provides an option called styles on the left hand side. You can see that, right? So if you click on styles, there are different styles will come up. What this means is that you have made a happy International Yoga Day wishes as a WhatsApp status, right? With some yellow color, some pink, and some text and red color text. If you click on this particular styles, the font type, font color and the background color of this particular style will be applied to your WhatsApp status on the right hand side. So let us see some example, right? I click on Surana. Now see how it has changed, white background, blue borders, right? So similarly, you can just click on Squada 1. See how it has changed. Some dark brown letters and another nice color background. Then let's click on Barlow Bold. See, it's completely blank. Let's click on Turner Sands. See how it has changed. So there are a lot of styles, guys. You can just click on a few or all of them and see what you really like it, and you can just save them. Yeah, so font, see the font style has changed. Yeah, that's it. So you can, as usual, you can go and click on save to save, and if you want to download, you can go and download. Click on the download, it gets downloaded. That's all I wanted to show you guys. Hope this video was useful. That's all I wanted to cover in this video. Please share your comments. Please subscribe and press the like button if you had liked the video. And please press the bell icon to get notification whenever I release my next video. Please let me know any topic you would like me to make a video for you guys. This is Serva signing off. Be happy. Love you all. Bye-bye.